ready for lesson 3 and part of 4 today? We are going to be talking about weather patterns and how they relate to our seasons. And we're also going to talk about the Earth's position and how that controls our seasons. When I say the Earth's position, I mean the Earth's position in space. And we've got a cool little video that explains a little bit more about that, explains it so that you can understand it a little better. We've got some questions here. It says, what is the weather like today? What was the weather like yesterday? Did they stay the same? If you live in North Carolina, you're going to say no. Do you know what the weather's going to be tomorrow? Hopefully it's going to be beautiful. I'm really hoping. Alright, our weather can change daily, especially in North Carolina. One day it can be cold and rainy, and the next day it'll be hot and sunny. It makes it very hard to know how to dress. On the next page, complete the fun game about how to dress during our seasons, okay? How's the weather today? Let's look. Now, I went ahead and put in our graph. For Monday, it was kind of partly cloudy. They threatened of rain, and we did have a little rain, so I put that one there. Tuesday, it rained all day long, didn't it? All day. Yesterday it rained. Now, today is Wednesday. Now, if we look outside, it's trying to be sunny. It really is, but it's going to be partly cloudy today too. So the sun's out there, but the clouds are kind of covering it up some, okay? So that is our weather graph. Now, you have a weather graph in your packet. Today's lesson will be on April 1st. So what I want you to do is in your weather graph that's in your packet, it looks just like a calendar, okay? I want you to log the weather, okay? So just look outside, take a glance, and then write down what kind of weather we have. Now, if you want to use pictures, that's fine. If you want to use words, that's fine. However you want to do it, just log that graph that's in your packet. I don't have a picture of it here, but it's in your packet that you can start on April 1st, which will be the day that you do this lesson, okay? Alrighty. Now, what is the temperature today? Let's talk about these weather patterns just a little bit and how our Earth and Sun relate to those, okay? So let's watch this quick little. Oh, actually, no. Look, this is our weather today, okay? I pulled this up online, it's WeatherBug. All right, so today in Jacksonville, oh look, it's 60 degrees, which is not bad. I mean, it's a little cold, but it's not bad. And then we've got partly sunny, just like we said on our other graph, all right? Now, and then it's got all kinds of information on here about the air quality and the pollen. Even here it says the closest lightning strike was 80 miles away, so I don't think we have to worry about any of the lightning. And then it's got your forecast. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers late in the morning, and then partly sunny this afternoon. High in the upper 60s, a west wind about 10 miles an hour, okay? So lots of cool little information there about our weather. Oops, okay? Now, let's look at this one. This is a thermometer, okay? Now, on the last web page right here on their WeatherBug, it told us it was 60 degrees. One of the weather tools that we have and that we use a lot is a thermometer, okay? And what a thermometer does is when you put it in an environment, whether it's inside or outside, it will tell you the temperature, how cool or how hot it is, all right? So what they're telling us today is it is 60 degrees. Now remember, a thermometer has two sides. It has Celsius, which is the C, and it has Fahrenheit, which is the F. In the United States, we go by Fahrenheit, okay? Sometimes you'll hear somebody say that it's so-and-so degrees Celsius, and it is really different than what we do for Fahrenheit, okay? And it'll show you that on these two little boxes when we set our temperature for today. So far they said it was 60 degrees. So we're gonna move our thermometer, oops, hopefully. We're gonna move our thermometer up to 60 degrees. That's pretty close. I've got 60.8, but that's pretty close, okay? So look right here. It's 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius. Now, if you're not used to seeing this and you see 16 degrees, you think, oh my goodness, it's cold outside. But it's not. It is the same thing that it is here, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? And tonight, our temperature will go down, okay? Probably not that low. What did it say? Let's look. Mid 40s, okay? So we're going to come down here, we're going to put it in the mid, which is mid 40s, about 42, we'll say, okay? So tonight, that's what our thermometers will look like, all right? Okay. So that is a weather tool with a thermometer, and we'll talk about weather tools a little bit more later. Let's dress the weather bear. So today is 60 degrees. And you know, this is one of the hardest things I have to do every morning, is figure out what the weather's going to be and what I'm going to put on. Because you all know that I stay hot, pretty much, okay? So, and I probably freeze a lot of you out in here because I'll have the fan on just like I do now, or the door open and just trying to get a little bit cool in here, and then all y'all are in here freezing. But anyway, so let's dress our weather bear. Now we said it's 60 degrees, which is not really cold, and it's not hot either. So he needs something on that's just going to kind of keep the chill off a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to decide on shoes. Now we have tennis shoes, snow boots, and flip-flops. Some of us are going to say the flip-flops because we do live near the beach, okay, and we love our flip-flops. But it might be a little cool for flip-flops. So we're going to, but it's not cold enough for snow boots. So we're going to put his tennis shoes on, okay? All right, now, does he need a toboggan? Probably not. Does he need a rain hat? It's not raining today. Baseball cap? Yeah, maybe so. We're gonna put his baseball cap on. Okay? Does he need gloves? No, it's not that cold, is it? Does he need a big furry jacket with a scarf? No, we'd burn up, wouldn't we? Does he need overalls or little pants? Maybe. Shorts and a t-shirt? Some people would say yes. Or what's that up there? A vest. He could probably have a vest on. Let's do that, okay? So let's put him just a little outfit on right here. And then let's give him a little vest. It won't go on there. Am I gonna have to layer that? Maybe it's not. Okay, we won't do that then. Maybe not. Alright, so he's just gonna have that on. And then we'll put a jacket on over it. How about that? There we go. So he's got a little jacket on. Or I guess you could put a little sweater on. No, we're gonna do the jacket, okay? Because it might be a little cool outside. Could be a little bit cool. Alright. Sunglasses. Well, we said it's partly cloudy, so maybe not today. Anyway, so here's our weather bear for today and how he dressed and what he's got on. This though is my favorite outfit. My favorite outfit, if I had to pick what to put on, is this one. Shorts, t-shirt, and some flip-flops, okay? Alright, today's assignment, another short lesson, okay, is choose one of our seasons and then complete the page below. So we have 4 seasons, right? 4 seasons, okay? We have summer. Oops. No. Sorry. We have summer, winter, spring, and fall. I want you to choose which season is your favorite. Which one is your favorite? Is it summer? I think I know what most of you are going to say. Winter. Spring. Or fall. Which one is your favorite? Choose one. And then you are going to illustrate that season. Tell me what you'd wear during that season. What kind of activities that we do during that season. And what's the weather like during that season, okay? All right, guys, that's the end of lesson 3. We'll see you next time.